Alright, today I'm going to show you how to draw the bracket. I'm only going to show you half of it because as you can see from this drawing, it is going to be a symmetrical object. So what that means is what you do on one side, you'll do on the other. Now looking at this drawing, which is in your canvas, there are a lot of different dimensions. Okay, so I'm going to go over and try to explain each one of these by drawing them. Okay, so first we start out with a 3 by 6 by 3.25. So go in Inventor, start with our rectangle tool, click and pull. So 3 tab 6, enter, finish, extrude, 3.25, enter, and we have our starting shape. Okay. The next part is we're going to draw this back wall. Okay, so the thickness of that is 0.75. The thickness all around is 0.75, as you can see as well. So we're going to place a point here and dimension it away from that back wall. So start 2D sketch on top, take your point tool. On this line, you can either do it with the coordinates or you can bring it over here, click, dimension, choose the point, choose the line, bring it down, and change that to 0.75. Okay. From there, we will draw a rectangle on that point, bring it all the way over. Okay. So the top dimension, which is currently blue, should be 2.25. The next one, if you hit tab, should be 2.7, enter. And we get that because of this dimension right here. Okay, so this line to this line is 2.7. So imagine we just drew this box right here. Okay, so back into Inventor, going to finish the sketch, extrude it. If it doesn't pop right away, click it, go down. Okay, so like I said, the thickness is 0.75, so we need that left over. Easy way is if we just go minus 0.75, enter, and it automatically gives you the thickness we need. Okay. Next, you're going to click Start 2D Sketch, and you're going to go on the back. Okay. This is where we're going to draw this circle. Okay. If you notice, from the center circle to the outside, it's 1.95, and then from the center circle below is 1.25. Okay, so since there are so many, you're going to have to check each side to see if the dimensions line up and if you're looking for a specific number. Okay, the size of the circle is going to be 0.625. Okay, the 2x diameter 0.625, that just means there's two circles that are that size. Okay, so back in with our circle, we're gonna click and 0.625, enter. Next, you're going to go dimension from the center to the outside and click. That's going to be 1.95. And from the center to the bottom, that's going to be 1.25. Just make sure that that was correct. Yep. Okay. Then we click finish, extrude, click the circle, and the opposite way. Click OK. Now we have the circle. Okay. Next, we are going to draw this little shape. Okay, it's known as the slot tool. Okay, so if we go back in to Inventor, click Start 2D Sketch on that face. Under Rectangle, you're going to find Slot Center to Center. Click on that. First, before I do that, we're going to have a point. So click there, okay, because we're going to move that point. We're going to move it from this side, 0.75, and we're going to move it from this side, 0.75. And then we're going to find that slot tool again. Click. Make sure this line is straight to the left like that, or towards the back wall. Okay. This is going to be 0.75, oops, enter, and then 0.75, enter. Okay, so it's in 0.75 from each side, straight line 0.75, and then the entire thing is 0.75. Click Finish, Extrude, click the object, opposite way, click OK. Next, we're going to cut out the back part. Okay, so if we look at this, this is kind of confusing, but if you look at it, it will make sense. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to place a point, and from that point to the inside is 1.2. Okay, from the top line to the point is going to be 0.25. Okay, so start sketch on the back. Okay, we're going to go point right there. Dimension. So if you remember, from there to the top line was 0.25. From there to the inside line was 1.2. Enter. Okay. Then you just get your line tool. You go from the corner to that point, down to the corner, up to the left corner, and then from there to where we started. Click Finish, Extrude, choose it, opposite way, click OK. Next, we have to curve the corner like it is in there. Okay, and if you notice, there's an arrow R 0.75. That's saying that the radius of these corners are 0.75. So we come in here using the fillet or fillet tool. Okay, however you'd like to say it, you just click on it. We choose which edge we want to curve, which right now it's just that one, and then we change the radius to that 0.75 and hit enter or click OK. So that is half. You would do the other half as well, and then don't forget to slant the center of the bracket. Okay, so go ahead and do that now. If you have any questions, feel free to look over these steps. I went step by step, or watch this video.